Do you do online events and webinars with Livestorm? Well, good news. Today we're going to show you how you can set it up so that when somebody buys a ticket on SimpleTix, their information will automatically be added to your Livestorm account. So the first thing you'll want to do is have your event created in both your Livestorm account and your SimpleTix account. Now we want to come over to Zapier. So obviously you want to have a Zapier account. You can feel free to check out their free plans and paid plans, decide which one's best for you. But let's go ahead and dive in and create the Zap. So this is where we're going to create the connection between SimpleTix and Livestorm. So the first thing we want to do is make a trigger, and I'll find SimpleTix here. And then I'll go ahead and tell it what I want to do. So this will be the new attendee, because I want it every time somebody buys a ticket. And we'll continue. And I'll go ahead and choose my account. Now most likely it'll have me reconnected and everything here, so you'll have to log into it again. I have a couple SimpleTix accounts, and I'm just going to choose the main one here and allow access. Great, that's all set there. Let's go ahead and click continue. And it'll ask me if I want to test some stuff out. That's no big deal to move forward with that. But the main thing here is you want to connect the second part, which is the Livestorm. So we want to tell that where to send things. So I'll put in Livestorm here. There we go. And I'll select that one. So what I want to do is click on Create Registrant. So I want to register someone for a specific event session that's going on with things. And I'll click Continue. And same process we did before, only this time I'm signing in to Livestorm. Now this screen is asking for a Zapier token. So that's kind of a specific thing you're going to need to log in here and get some access. Let me show you where you can find that. So that is actually going into your Livestorm account, and under Account Settings and App Marketplace, you'll see a list of apps here with things, and one of them will be Zapier. And when you click on it, you'll actually see that token with stuff, and you can go ahead and copy it there. Let's go back to the other screen. And we'll plop it in, and we'll click Continue on to Livestorm here. Wonderful. Now in this area, we're going to choose the event and the information that we're going to gather and pull from SimpleTix and put into Livestorm there. So first thing we want to just take the event here, and that's the one I have for this example. And then you'll see the fields. And so these are basically the fields of information you want to capture with things, typically first name, that one, we'll do email, and we'll do last name. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and continue on. Let's see if there's anything else I'm missing here. The session required. Yep, that's exactly the one we want to do. Perfect. We'll continue on, and we can go ahead and do the test for now with things. It's certainly fine. Great. A registrant was sent to Livestorm about a second ago. That's fantastic. And we'll go ahead and publish this. Awesome. So we've got our Zap all created here, looking good. So our last step will be to copy the event link from our Livestorm account and place that into our email confirmation in our SimpleTix account. Now let's go ahead and take a look and test things out. So I'll go on to my event in SimpleTix and go ahead and select my ticket. And then I'll just fill in the information here. And I'll just put in the email address. And we'll agree. So I've got my ticket. Now I'm going to head on over to my email to check out the confirmation. So here is my confirmation email here, and it's looking good. You can actually see right here where I've got the link, so I can go ahead and join the meeting when the event starts with things. Now if we go on over to our Livestorm account, I just want to check and see that the information was done through Zapier, and absolutely was. Wonderful. So that's the most recent purchase that I made in SimpleTix, and I can see it showed up in my Livestorm account. All right, that's all for today. We'll see you next time.